Hello everyone and welcome back to BREWducate. You have already conquered Section 1, that's Everyday Conversation, and Section 2, Public Monologue. Today, in our Episode 2 of our complete IELTS Listening series, we tackle Section 3, the shift into academic territory. This section features a discussion between up to 4 speakers, usually students and a tutor, about an academic topic or assignment. Here, it's 3 people, Olivia, Noah and their tutor, planning a presentation on gamification techniques to improve student engagement. Section 3 raises the difficulty, more opinions, interactions, paraphrasing and the need to track who says what. But with the right strategies, you can turn this into a reliable score booster. We'll cover the questions, play the full audio, reveal every answer with traps explained, and explore deeper skills like speaker identification and synonym awareness. Ready to level up your academic listening? Smash that like button if you're in, and make sure notifications are on for Section 4 next. Today, we move to Section 2, a monologue. A monologue about public information. In this case, a welcome talk on the Riverside Community Arts Centre. Section 2 is still social and everyday, but it's a single speaker giving factual details, often with direction, facilities, and practical info. It feels a bit more formal than Section 1, and the traps shift towards paraphrasing, spatial language, and staying focused till the very end. In this section, we'll be going through 3 types of question. Question 11 to 14, multiple choice. Question 15 to 17, matching facilities to descriptions. Questions 18 to 20, sentence completion. You get about 30 to 40 seconds before the audio to read all questions. Use every second to underline keywords and predict answers. This is your superpower for Section 2. Before we listen, scan everything. For multiple choice, look at differences between A, B, C options. For matching, note the facilities and read all 5 descriptions. For sentence completion, predict word types. Noun for floor, number for fee, name for bus service. Now here's a pro tip. Since it's about art centers often mention opening dates, numbers of room, cafe names, prices, and directions like on your left or upstairs. Pause the video now if you want to attempt it first. Otherwise, let's test your skills live. Listen carefully to the monologue about the Riverside Community Arts Centre and answer questions 11 to 20.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you for joining me today for this information session about the Riverside Community Arts Centre. My name is Dr. Laura Bennett, and I'm the director here. The center was officially opened in September 2024, following a major renovation project that lasted 2 years. Let me start by giving you an overview of our facilities. As you enter the main entrance, on your left is the exhibition hall, which hosts rotating displays of local artists' work. To the right, you'll find the workshop studios. There are 3 of them, numbered Studio 1, 2, and 3, each equipped with easels and art supplies. Straight ahead is the performance theater, seating up to 150 people, where we hold plays and music concerts. Moving upstairs, the second floor has our creative library, containing more than 8,000 books and digital resources on arts and crafts. There's also a small café called Artisan Brew, famous for its organic teas and coffees. We offer a wide range of programs. For example, our beginner painting classes run every Monday and Wednesday from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m., and the fee is just $15 per session. Advanced sculpture workshops are held on Fridays at 10 a.m., led by renowned artist Mr. James Hartley. Don't forget our free family days, which take place on the first Sunday of every month. Membership is encouraged for regular visitors. The annual fee is $50, which includes priority booking for events and a 20% discount on workshops. Alternatively, day passes are available for $20. Finally, please note that the center is fully accessible, with ramps and lifts for wheelchair users. Parking is available in the adjacent lot, but spaces are limited during peak times. We strongly suggest using the Riverside bus service, which stops directly outside. I hope this has given you a good idea of what we have to offer. Now, if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them.
How many did you get right? Even if it wasn't perfect, that's normal the first time. Section 2 introduces more paraphrasing and requires sustained focus. Now let's break down every answer, the skill it builds, and the trap that catches most candidates. Now the answer to question number 11. The Riverside Community Arts Centre officially opened in September 2024. The skill developed here is precise factual listening plus distractor elimination. The trap here was, you probably heard July and August mentioned as planning or construction phases. Examiners love to give earlier dates first, then correct or specify the official opening. Always wait for the exact context, like officially opened is the key here. Number 12. How many workshop studios does the center have? The answer is 3. Now the skill here is quick number recognition under time pressure. The trap here is similar numbers like 2, 4 may appear for other facilities. Listen for the exact facility name right before or after the number. Answer to 13. What is the name of the café? That's Artisan Brew. The skill requirement here is accurate spelling of less common words while listening. The trap here is options sound similar. Artisan's Brew, Arts Brew, Artisan Brew. Spelling precision is crucial. One letter wrong is equal to 0. Listen carefully for the pronunciation and confirmation. Answer 14. How much does a day pass cost? The answer is $12. Now the skill here is distinguishing between similar prices by exact context. The trap here is $15 and $50 are mentioned for other passes or memberships. The speaker clarifies day pass specifically. Context is everything. Now moving to questions 15 to 17, that was matching. The exhibition hall. A. Located on your left as you enter. Question 16. Workshop studios. B. That's equipped with easels and art supplies. Answer 17. Performance theatre. C. Seats up to 150 people. Now in 15, A. Located on your left as you enter. Mental mapping skill. For 16, equipped with easel and art supplies. That's linking adjectives and equipments. That's the skill requirement here. Now answer to 17 is C, that seats up to 150 people, that is selecting the one correct description out of 5. Now the trap here is descriptions D and E. Library, books, organic teas are distractors for the cafe or library. Section 2 matching tests if you can ignore irrelevant info while following the speaker's tour. Directional phrases like on your left, to the right, straight ahead, upstairs, or adjacent appear frequently in facility monologues. Train yourself to mentally map as you listen. Now, for sentence completion. Answer to question 18. The creative library is located on the 2nd floor. The annual membership fee is $50 for F50, $50. The center recommends using the Riverside bus service. Now, 18 second floor, 50 or 50, 50 or Riverside. Now, the skill requirement here is recognizing synonyms and paraphrasing. The audio might say strongly suggests or we advise instead of recommends. The trap here is the last answer often comes in the final 20 to 30 seconds. Many students lose concentration near the end and miss it. Never stop listening early. Perfect. Let's explore the bigger picture and nuances that make Section 2 challenging yet conquerable. Directional language. Phrases like on your left as you enter, to the right, straight ahead, upstairs, adjacent to, or just past the entrance are extremely common in facility or tour talks. Practice mentally visualizing the layout. It helps with matching and any future map questions. Next, synonyms and paraphrasing. IELTS almost never repeats exact words from the question. Example from this test. Officially open stays close, but elsewhere you might hear strongly suggest, paraphrased as recommend. Equipped with or features instead of direct description. Train your ear for meaning, not identical wording. This is a band 7+ skill. Next is handling distractors and traps. Similar number or prices, $15, $20, $50 or days are mentioned deliberately. Listen for exact context. Day passes, annual fee, per session. Spelling traps. Artisan versus artists. Test precisions under pressure. Self-corrections. Originally, but now, or negatives are classic. Next is concentration until the end. The final sentence often holds the last answer. Example, Riverside bus service. Losing focus in the closing moment costs every mark. Additional research strategies. Use the pre-listening time to underline, limit and predict grammar. For multiple choice, eliminate option that contradict details heard. Always check answer fit grammatically and within word limit. Second floor might be acceptable as second if the sentence structure allows, but follow instructions strictly. From official Cambridge patterns and student error analysis, the biggest mindset shift is treating Section 2 like a guided tour. Stay with the speaker's flow, ignore irrelevant details, and note signal words for changes, like, however, actually, in fact. Consistent practice here builds the stamina needed for Section 3 and Section 4. Excellent work today. You have now navigated the academic discussion section, handled speaker tracking, and sharpened your ear for paraphrasing and precision. Every missed answer today is one step closer to mastering it tomorrow. Remember, consistency beats talent when talent doesn't practice consistently. Keep showing up, keep listening actively, review your mistakes without judgment, and your dream band score will build one focus session at a time. The world is waiting for what you can achieve with strong English skills. If this helped, like the video, share with friends preparing for IELTS, and subscribe so you don't miss Section 4, the toughest monologue lecture. Drop your score for this practice in the comments. How many out of 10? What was your biggest takeaway? I read every one. Thank you for watching. Stay determined, believe in your progress, and I'll see you in the next video. You've got this. Go crush that IELTS.
BREWducate, a sip at a time. New mindset, flip the switch and catch the flow. Level up your vibe and watch your knowledge grow. Get smarter.